Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can remove a late payment on Capital One. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct version that actually supports this feature. So once you're on your Capital One website, what you will have to do is sign in, of course. So go ahead and wait for the website to load, and what you will have to do is, of course, sign in with your credentials. And after you sign in, basically, you will just have, you will see an option like support or help center. So go ahead and click that and wait for the website to load again. And when once you're here, you will just scroll down a little, and then you will see dispute a credit charge or dispute a charge, something like that. So what you will have to do is basically just click it, and then here, before you file a dispute, you will just have to read all this. And then after that, you will see something like request removal of late payment if you've already logged into your account. So what you will just have to do is select it, and then you will fill out the request form, providing account details and reason. And then you will submit the request and wait for the confirmation from Capital One. And the response, it would usually take within a few days. And then after that, you will just have to check your account statement to confirm the late payment has been removed. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.